KBSX stock analysis to Thursday and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end. Find out. I'm looking at FST Corporation. Kind of tough because it is 26% down. So not the smallest deed, but I'm still going to stick to something that's delivered thousands of repetitions for me. I've invested 5 figures in my edge and my learnings in 5 years into the game. I have all the proof to back up my claims. All documented, by the way. And even with KBSX, although we don't have this much data, the data shows that after the rainy day, kind of some light came around. But again, we're not going to be under the tunnel unless I see a full candle close. Again, this is just me. Keep in mind, like, this is not financial advice. But unless I see a full candle shift at least above 780, then it's still like one heck of a bearish market for me. And because here we're in a no man's land, meaning that, yeah, the price went up quite nicely, but if there's a double break beneath the certain lows, then I'm looking to take things even further lower. So that's how KBSX is looking like. And if the price doesn't give me the shift, then I'm just not going to look to take things lower. It's really that simple. So let me know what is your opinion. Let me just mark down the lows. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click